am Becky Willis, and I am with the Dyer County 4-H program, and we are partnering with the library on a few things now this year, since our year is going to look a little bit different. 4-H is for 4th through 12th grade, but the library program is for anybody that wants to do some things, especially you kids out there that want to have a little bit extra to go along with your schoolwork. So this month we're going to focus on dairy. I would think most people think about dairy and they think about, oh, ice cream and all those kind of things. But you know, dairy's more than ice cream. And on the web page with Read Square with the library, you can actually tour a dairy, learn about farming, and so many cool things. So with the dairy products this time, you're going to have some things in your bag. You have something from the Dairy Alliance, and some of you may even have teachers that adopt a cow this year. We have some other cool stuff, and some of the things that I love are stickers and erasers, but my favorite is the cow pencil. Who would else have a cow pencil? So if you want to come up and get those things here at the library, you can. You don't have to. You can just go online and you can do the things with Read Square, or you can do both of them and share this information with your friends. And for those people who are more visual like me, you have a chance to make your own bank. With the bank, we always call it a piggy bank in 4-H, but it doesn't have to be a pig. It could be a dairy cow. It could be a fire truck, whatever you want to make. And you know, one of the things you'll need for yourself, besides the supplies we're going to talk about, is you will actually need some type of milk jug, possibly a sour cream disposable thing that you can do. The main thing is you do need to wash those so they're not stinky when you're building your bank. And we're going to start you out with a few supplies, but you may have a lot at home. Now remember, when you glue stuff to the plastic milk jug, sometimes it doesn't stick, so you may have to try it twice. But we have things like straws and ribbons, and you may not get this color ribbon. You may get something green. You may get something else, who knows. Some foam, where you could possibly make noses or ears. Some string if you want to do some type of necklace, or you know, a lot of times when you have your dog or something, they have a collar, and you might want to make a special collar. You also have a little bit of fabric. It may be green, or you might have fabric that is yellow. Some other ribbon to do what you need to with. Who doesn't like something that's a smushy ball? You can make it for different things. Just be so creative when you make your banks, and don't make it like your brother or sister. Make your own. And then you can also have something like buttons. So if you want to put a button on the back of the pig and make a little curly tail if you're going to make a pig. You also have things like beads that you can use, a paper clip, and even a ring. So no matter what you do with your bank, that is something you can do, and then you can share that bank picture with the library. So just remember, we have a lot of dairy programs for this year, or for this week, and you can have an opportunity to learn more about dairy, make something for a bank, and then maybe you can save that next year and enter it in the fair. Thank you.